Hi, I'm Tricia Farin from William Ravis Real Estate, and today I'm going to show you how you can transform your closet for under $500. Now, I have a walk-in closet that's my own. My husband has his own, but no matter what I do, I feel like it's disorganized and messy all the time. Like, take a look. We battled and battled over what we should do with it and whether or not we should spend the thousands of dollars it would take to get a professional company to come in and do it. But quite frankly, we've just been spending a ton of money and I just didn't want to do that. But I can't live with it the way it is. So I'm going to transform my closet in under $500. Wait till you see what it looks like when I'm done. So today is the big reveal of what I was able to do to transform my closet for under $500. Let's take a look. So if you remember from the befores, I was complaining that everything was kind of disorganized and I didn't really have everything in the closet the way I wanted it to be. And so I was going out to a dresser for some things, an armoire for another thing, but some things in the closet. I wanted everything inside. But I didn't want to spend upwards of 10 grand to do this closet. So what I chose to do is simplify my life a little bit. First thing is I put all the same kind of hangers. This was important because whether it's a t-shirt or a sweater or a tank top or something with a really wide collar, something was always on the floor. That drove me crazy. So by keeping all the same hangers, they have little notches in them, I'm able to keep the clothes on the hanger the way I like it. Now I'm a little OCD, so I like all my stuff color-coded. So I know if I want to get a black blouse, I just go to the black section, pick out a blouse, and they're all here, unless they're in the hamper, and that's completely fine because then I know what I've worn. Things that I'm not going to use for a while are all in these buckets on top. Because they have handles, I can easily pull them out or push them back in. I can grab them, work on it, and put it back. And no matter what's in there, it's neat. And I love that. I love that it just is one full swing of buckets that is a clean look. I have an extra shelf on top. Right now I just have one hat up there, but it's kind of open here, and I have my luggages on the other side because those are things that I don't use very often. Before, I had all my shoes here, and it was getting to be a bit much. So instead, I converted these to, again, buckets, which for me work beautifully. I can choose to fold, or I can just dump them in there, and it always looks nice. So I was able to categorize my stuff down to white socks, colored socks, short socks, tall socks. Everything has its place. And it's easy. I can just pull it out or put it back. And there actually is extra space, so if I find that I have more stuff that I want to store, I still have a little bit more room to use. On this side, this was key for me. I tend to sit when I put on my shoes, and it's nice to be able to have a little bench that I can sit right in my closet to be able to do that. So I had to create a little bit more open space. So on the top shelf, I put all my shoes, and then I just put my pants, which are a little bit shorter, creating kind of a column space so that I can sit. And I can also use this as a stool, so if I want to reach anything on the high top, I don't have to now bring something else in. I can use this. Now, I love the rug. I know it's silly, but it kind of just made it look a little bit more luxurious, and when I'm in here, my feet don't get cold. Even though there's a vent, it gets kind of cold in the closet. So if I'm actually changing in here, I have everything that I need, and I'm comfortable and warm, and it's pretty. Then behind the door, I already had this piece, but it was just shelves. So I got boxes that actually fit right into the little cubbies, and I can just use them to store more things. And then some additional shirts, because there's an actual rod down here. So what I took away from the top, I was able to use on the bottom. I also consolidated my hamper. I used to have 4 bins, which 2 of them I never used. So I found one that was just a twofer, so I can now still sort while I'm putting my things away, and it's not taking up nearly as much space. Everything that I bought, I bought in Amazon. So I was able to purchase everything, utilize some of the things that I had, and I only spent about $400. This is going to transform my ability to stay organized, and it looks nice too. So this is what I did to my closet. I didn't spend thousands, and I'm perfectly happy. So thanks for watching.